How to check responses in Google Forms using your phone. First, open the Google Forms app or visit the Google Forms website in your mobile browser. Then sign in with the Google account that owns the form. From the home screen, tap the form whose responses you want to check. Once the form opens, tap the Responses tab at the top of the screen. This is where all form submissions will appear. If your form hasn't received any responses yet, you'll see a message indicating that there are no responses available. Once people start submitting the form, all responses will appear here automatically. You can switch to the Summary tab to view charts and an overview of all responses. To see each submission separately, tap the Setting tab and swipe through each response one by one. If you've linked your form to Google Sheets, tap the Sheets icon at the top to open all responses in a spreadsheet, and tap Create for easier viewing and management. And that's it. That's how you can check Google Forms responses on your phone. As soon as your form starts receiving submissions, you can come back to the Responses tab anytime to review them. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Google Forms tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.